this is Pipe Cleaner Princess, and today we will be making James P. Sullivan, otherwise known as Sulley, from Monsters Inc. Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears. So what you will need is 3 pipe cleaners that are purple with little blue stripes. And then you are going to need 2 turquoise pipe cleaners, 2 purple pipe cleaners, 1 gray pipe cleaner, and scissors. So you will start by getting the turquoise and purple pipe cleaner and putting them together, and take the other 2 of those and putting them together. And these pipe cleaners are going to be the base of your hat. So you are going to twist them together. And so you twist them, and that's good. Once you do that, make sure none of this is pointing towards you because it's pokey. And twist the other sides together so it makes a circle that you are going to put on your head. And twist it on. And then there you go, you got that. And then you're going to take one of these pipe cleaners. You're going to twist it where you twisted these pipe cleaners. So you twist it on, and this pipe cleaner is going to be the arch. So you're going to take the other side and you're going to twist it on the other side of that. So it looks like an arch. And so once you got that, you're going to take another of these pipe cleaners and you're going to make an ear on this side. So you're going to twist it on right here, and then you're going to take the other side, you're going to bend it down, make it into a circle, and twist it on right here. Make sure you like it before you move on. And there you go. And then you take this and you're going to make another ear over here, and so you twist it on over here, and then you are going to take the other side and make another ear over here and twist it on. Make sure it looks good, like an ear shaped. Okay, there you go. That's your hat. And now you are going to make his horns. So with this gray pipe cleaner, you are going to cut it in half. And then, so cut it in half. And then you're going to make this, and you're going to put it in the ear. So how you're going to make it, it almost looks like a moon. So you're going to take this and bend it so it looks like a moon, and then take this and do that for now. And then you're going to twist that on right there, and then you are going to shape it and point the ends because it's pointy, so you're going to squeeze it. And once you like how it looks, you're going to put it there so that it's facing that way, and twist it on. And then take the other half and you're going to make another horn, the same thing, and do it on the other side like that. And make it like that and twist it on here. And then make it into that moon-like shape. Pinch the ends so it's pointy, and make sure you like it, and then twist it on like that over here. And once you do that, you're done. There you go. You got your Sulley Pipe Cleaner Mickey ears.